You just got a new customer. Congratulations. Seriously, that's a win. But now what? Are they coming back next week? Are they going to try more than the one thing they came in for? When it's time to buy again, will they remember you? When a friend asks, "Hey, where should I go?" will your name be the first to come up? Here's the thing. Most loyalty programs for local businesses are kind of a mess. Too many logins, too complicated, too focused on points or discounts, and somehow still forgotten by customers and business owners. That's why we built Loyalty Boost. Loyalty Boost is a turnkey loyalty solution made specifically for local businesses. That means we handle it for you. No more, "Oh yeah, we were supposed to send a holiday email." No more sitting through boring platform tutorial videos. Loyalty Boost takes care of your after-sale outreach automatically, backed by over 30 years of connecting local businesses with their communities. You run your business, we handle the follow-up. If you're ready to transform new customers into regulars, talk to your IndoorMedia rep today about Loyalty Boost.